So over the last number of weeks, and I guess you could say even months, cryptocurrency has basically been the spotlight of the investing world, and I feel like a lot of stocks have been forgotten about. That of course is due to, in part, the stock market being on a bit of a downtrend, and in particular some growth stocks being on a downtrend since the start of the year. And while I do think it is important to consider cryptocurrency as part of any investment strategy, stocks make up about 70% of my overall investing portfolio, and there's a lot of stocks that I have good conviction in for the next couple of months and years. And one of those stocks is of course NIO. So if you're not familiar, NIO is an electric vehicle manufacturer based in China, and while they do make sedans such as the vehicle right here, their main focus is SUVs, and their latest one is called the ES8. Now NIO has often been dubbed the Tesla of China, which is quite interesting seeing as Tesla themselves are in China, but the main difference of course being that NIO is a Chinese founded company. Let's go ahead and take a look at the current price of NIO stock, and then from there we'll talk about some good news catalysts that are coming out and where I see the stock going in the next 12 months. So right now NIO stock is trading at $45.68, and over the past market week it's been up about 10%. If we take a step back further, we'll look at the year-to-date performance, and you can see it's down about 14%. That is of course the case with many growth stocks. But you can see here that as of about the 13th of May, there's been quite a difference in how NIO stock price is running. It went from lows of $31 all the way up to where we see it now at $45, and I think this good momentum will continue. So before we get into where I think the stock price is going, let's take a look at some of the good news catalysts that have recently come out for NIO. So NIO CEO William Li has recently come out and said that they began work on their new manufacturing factory. Now NIO does have a manufacturing partner. They do not manufacture everything themselves. That partner is the Zhonghui Automotive Group. Hopefully I did pronounce that right. So whereas Tesla have their gigafactories and manufacture everything themselves, or as much as they can themselves, NIO actually rely on a secondary manufacturing partner. I do hope to see NIO in the future coming out with their own manufacturing factories, but for now they need that support of a manufacturing partner, but it's good to see that they're building more factories and continuing to invest in growth. The main stats here is that the factory will increase their current production from about 10,000 vehicles per month all the way to 20,000 vehicles per month once that's up and running, I believe in the second quarter of 2022. Some other very big news is that NIO have completed their approval process to be able to sell the ES8 SUV in the European Union, and they plan to do this as early as September 2021 in Norway. They'll follow this up with plans to release their ET7 car in the European Union. That's more the sedan type of car, and that should be early next year. So overall, a lot of good news for NIO, especially coming into the European Union. Hopefully that will build some more consumer trust and get the brand out there a bit in the European sense of it. In China, they have really great customer satisfaction and really great brand recognition, nearly as much as Tesla over in China. When it comes to the European Union, they haven't made too much of a name for themselves right now, but I'm sure that will change once their EX8 starts to go on sale in Norway. So NIO's current market price is currently $71 billion, and I could easily see this doubling in the next 12 months. And that would bring the stock price anywhere from $90 to $100 in the next 12 months, and that is my price prediction. So I've just jumped onto my phone here to look at my portfolio, and I'll just show you guys a look at my current NIO holdings. First of all, what I'll just show is my overall allocation in my portfolio. So you can see I'm very much still bullish on Tesla. I have that about 62% of my overall stock portfolio, but then NIO is coming in second there at 7%. So you can see that my position is currently up 5%. I have an average buy price of $42 right there. I initially got into NIO, I believe, at first around $23, but since then I've done some buying and selling. But overall, I do think this is a great long-term hold, even for the next 3 to 5 years. But that being said, in the next 12 months, I do see NIO stock price hitting $90 to $100. Of course, guys, do remember this is not financial advice. These are all my own opinions based off my own research. So make sure you do your own due diligence whenever you're investing into any of these stocks. I'd love to know your thoughts in the comment section below, where you think NIO stock price will be in 12 months time, and maybe let me know some of the reasons for that. If you enjoyed this video and you're excited for NIO stock and how it will do in the next 12 months, make sure you do scroll down and drop a like on this video. It really does help out the channel. And if you're new around here, make sure you do subscribe as well. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in another video.